Just finishing up some minor things at this house that I've worked on over the last maybe 10 years. This front entrance is some of our work. It's a few years old. Little birdhouse gables. And we'll show you what I've done inside the house. So we redid this hall, including the doors. Okay. It didn't really have any finishes. That was sort of our first railing that we did, hand carved. Then we did the kitchen, which this is old glass, true divided light. Let's see if I can give you a decent view. Okay. A beautiful little niche area to eat in, exposed stone wall. These are 2-foot thick walls, hardwood beams. Okay, want to take a look? True end grain butcher block with a crumb detail. Okay, very lovely. Okay. An interesting kitchen. We did rebuild the staircase. Okay. Including hand hammering every single one of these at the blacksmith shop. These are all hand hammered. Okay. Did this. Extended the floor deck so we could access the upstairs. We also redid the entire hallway and got proper lighting in it. And built the library, okay, which is completely, truly built in. These cabinets are hand painted with a brush. You can see the brushwork. Hand painting with a brush is a very good skill, and our painter is very good at this. We don't like spray finishes. We don't think they have the character of a hand painted brush finish. Now, if you want to look, you can see the brush marks stop right at the way that the wood would go. There isn't, brush mark is very controlled. Okay, and we think it ties in to the historical nature of the house. So all the millwork, all the moldings, all the railings, okay, and then see how that little floor extension allowed us to get over to the window. So anyway, that's Forsberg work. Please comment, tell me what you think. Hand painted cabinets.